Hola. In this lesson, we're going to talk about Spanish nouns. In case you don't remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Well, in Spanish, every noun has gender. Now, what does that mean exactly? That means that even a pencil, a lamp, a bed, everything is considered masculine or feminine. Here's an example. La lámpara means the lamp. It's a feminine noun in Spanish. Here's another feminine noun. La computadora, the computer. Now, the la part is the part. And the word is different depending if it's masculine or feminine. For feminine nouns, it's going to be la, la. Now, since Spanish translates the word the differently, depending if it's masculine or feminine, I always recommend that students learn that article with the word. For example, la lámpara, the lamp. Let's move on to some masculine nouns. Now, remember, the part will be translated also. For masculine nouns, the is translated as el, and it's la for feminine nouns. The desk in Spanish is el escritorio. You see the L there? That's how we do the for masculine nouns. Here's another one that's a bit more law enforcement related. El uniforme, the uniform. Now you're probably asking yourself, how am I going to know if an item is masculine or feminine? Is there some kind of trick for that? The short answer is no. You're going to have to learn individual words, and when you learn them, you'll learn if they're masculine or feminine. However, I'm going to show you some techniques later in the course that'll boost your vocabulary, and with that trick, you'll also know whether the word is masculine or feminine. Let's learn some new vocabulary related to your profession. The police. La policía. You see the accent on that last I? That's where you need to put the emphasis. La policía. La policía, as a feminine noun, can refer to the police as a whole, as in the police force, or a female officer. It's all about context. Now, what would a male police officer be called? Now, the word doesn't change. It stays policía. The only thing that changes is the article. We change it to el because he's masculine. So it's el policía, the male police officer. Now, the same pattern applies to the word witness, which is testigo. For men and women, you're only going to change the article. A male witness is going to be el testigo, and a female witness is going to be la testigo. Now, that pattern with testigo is a little unusual. Normally, when a word ends in an O, you would make it feminine by just changing it to an A, like chico is boy, chica is girl. The word for suspect follows the more traditional pattern. The male suspect would be el sospechoso. The female suspect would be la sospechosa. See, all that changed was the O changed to an A, and of course, the part has to agree with the noun. Once someone's been formally charged, they're called the defendant or the accused. This word also follows the pattern. A male defendant would be el acusado, and a female would be la acusada. Since I'm standing in a jail, you might be wondering how to say that in Spanish. The jail is la cárcel. Think of incarcerate. I saved the word victim for last because it doesn't follow the regular pattern. The word victim in Spanish is always feminine, la víctima. Even if it's a male, the la part will not change. That's it for this lesson. Be safe out there.